I am with my 2022 Ram Promaster 3500, and I got an issue, and I'm wondering, am I gonna regret having a Ram chassis? The issue is reminding me of the issues I have with these L322 Land Rovers, which is an ignition and key issue. This is the Travato. I want to say Winnebago has done a remarkable job on this. We love it. We've already logged over 1,000 miles on it, plenty of trips. I don't have any complaints about Winnebago. I'm having complaints about the Promaster. So let's go ahead and unlock this bad boy. And let's hop in and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So, I am in the Ram. I'm gonna go ahead and start it. Oh, the steering wheel's locked. I'm gonna go ahead and start it. Park, reverse, neutral drive, A-OK, no issues. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in reverse, drop it down to drive, go up to neutral, and I should note this thing only has 9,000 miles on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do some real basic maneuvering of the vehicle. So you can see the key's in, but I can't get it out. And if I start it, park does not illuminate, reverse illuminates, neutral does not illuminate, drive illuminates. So it's impossible to get the key out. So I'm gonna hook this E-Diag Elite up under the dash. It's gonna plug up. I'm gonna put the key to the on position. And this is a smartphone app, so a little more advanced diagnostics. So let's hop in here and scan the code, and I'll show you a few more details that I'm getting. So I'm just doing a scan here, and this is, I know I'm getting no error codes on my other scanner. I'm getting no check engine lights on this. But this actually comes back with something on a more advanced scanner. You can see powertrain control module, there's a fault. So let's go into this PCM fault. Now there's lots of different scanners on the market. This one is the E-Diag Elite Bluetooth. It has a little more latency, but transmission range sensor rationality. But this here, the electronic shifter module, this is what I'm nearly positive is causing my issue. So I'm getting the the P1C4F electronic shifter module has an error. I'm also getting a transmission range sensor issue, so maybe they're associated with each other. And then you can always get more details on what these mean. But kind of a pain. So I'm dropping it off at the dealership. Those are the error codes that I'm getting. I will report back on what they say. Okay, so I'm gonna take it over to the dealership. I'm gonna let them scan, and I'm gonna let them diagnose. I've seen this issue on other Ram Promasters on the internet, and a recall fixed it, and supposedly this has the recall done. So let's go ahead and drive it over and see what we find out. I'll keep you posted. Okay, it has been about a month since I resolved the issue, or I guess I should say since the dealership resolved the issue. We've put well over 3,000 miles on the Ram Promaster 2022, the Winnebago Travato 59G, and it turns out it was the range transmission sensor. Evidently, it was fried. The reason why I had the dealership do it, because they fixed it under warranty, so it cost me $0. When Winnebago sells these, they do a 5-year warranty, so I still had time left on the warranty and it cost me nothing. So the transmission range sensor was the issue on my 2022 Winnebago Travato 59G that's on a 2021 Promaster chassis. So the issue is gone, 3,000 plus miles. Let's take a look at it. So as you can recall from before, I would put the key in, start it, take it out, and then have an issue. The key wouldn't remove, and park and neutral would not light up. Park lights up every single time. Reverse, neutral, drive, neutral, reverse, drive. And I can, of course, pull the key out every time. I've done this for 3,000 plus miles with no issues. So if your key is not coming out of the ignition and the park and neutral are not lighting up, and it works when you reset the error code, you probably have a failed transmission range sensor, which the part isn't that much. I'm not sure how much they would charge to do it because it was warranty work, but this van had 8,000 miles when I bought it, and I'm going on 12,000 miles now. So I'm hoping it doesn't pop back up and they just continuously go bad. But this is Jason with jams.net, cars, DIY, and adventures. If your key is not coming out, park neutral not lighting up, it's probably, high probability, the transmission range sensor. That's what it was on mine.